bow made, I'm going to grab the other parts of my fire bow, the fireboard, and my bearing block. I'm going to put all that together, and I'm going to start spinning out a coal here in a minute. Where did this stuff go?
There's quite a bit of water falling down here.
Okay, I've now shaped that piece of wood into what's going to eventually... Get my audio going.
Alright, Rob, are we ready here? Everyone turn the cameras on.
All cameras on.
Alright, so last week, my battery on my camera died while I was in the middle of giving Rob his final coaching, and I was unable to film him getting his coal and his fire. So here we are, we're out here in the rain a week later. I don't know if you guys can see the rain kind of drizzling out here in the camera. We're going to film him doing this so I can edit that on the end of last week's film.
Okay.
All right, Rob, light him up.
I'm recording.
We got his cameras, we got my cameras. I'm filming this on my cell phone.
Spinning a coal with a fire bow drill in the rain. Take one. Okay, now I have all my dust collected. As you can see, I put it into my notch here, and I'm at a point now where I'm ready to spin a coal. It died? Ah, bummer. Okay, I'm now ready to spin it into a coal. So I'm going to take my spindle, and I'm going to prep it into my fire bow here. I'm going to slowly and steadily put pressure onto my fireboard. I'm going to take my bearing block and I want to put my bearing block onto the top part of my spindle. Okay, now I'm ready. I'm going to put pressure and start spinning. Okay, now I got a good amount of smoke coming out, so I'm going to pull my spindle out, and I think I may have lost the ember. Yeah, I did.
Looks like you're a little shy on the dust there.
Yeah,
you might want to put some more dust in it.
A lot of it fell down. All right, we're going to have to put some more dust into this. Thought I had
Here,
more dust than I actually did.
Let me see here.
Yeah, here.
See, Rob, you're going to want to fill this guy completely up so it's
You
like
can go ahead and cut.
overflowing and everything in there.
Yeah, I did have it that way, but...
That's the water dripping off of that. It's like, what the hell was that?
Sounds like a water bottle.
Or like a
Yeah.
bee or something.
Okay. Let me restart the audio here. Alright, I'm going to record. This is spinning a coal into a fire from a Bowdrill set, take number 3. Okay, I now have my dust put into my notch here. I'm going to spin this into a coal and start a fire with it. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prep my spindle by wrapping it into my bow. I'm going to lightly and slowly start applying pressure to my fireboard here, and try not to lose my dust out of the notch. I'm going to very carefully push it back in there. It's very, very important that that notch is completely full of dust. Alright, here we go. Put my spindle on the fireboard, bearing block on top of the spindle. I'm going to take my my position, and I want to start spinning this out. Okay, it is now ready to be put into my bird's nest. So I get that in there. There we go. I'm gonna put this into. It's just too damp. Fuck, this is too much. Smoke is killing me.
Put it above your head. You can get it like really burning before you put it in there.
Go, 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 go. Keep burning, keep burning, keep burning.
Give it some air. Woo!
Smoke in the eyes, nothing like it.
There you go, Rob. Now that is your official passage into manhood.
You're on my camera. Okay, we'll get him in the camera.
Now you just need to practice till it looks easy.
Now, right now, we should be feeling more wood on this bad boy.
Well, we had a rainstorm. I think you proved it for the YouTube viewers.